Hello guys, as you can see there is no space for new trophies on the current shelf, so I decided to add another shelf in this room. I'll be using a Lack shelf from IKEA. The new shelf will be installed on opposite wall, and I want it to be the same level as the current one. To ensure it's straight, I used my laser level, also is not absolutely necessary, I just like precision. The IKEA package itself comes with a shelf, a metal bracket and two screws used to attach the shelf to the bracket. However, to secure the bracket to the wall you need your own hardware. In my case, I will be using drywall anchors and screws, since I'll be mounting the shelf on drywall. To make the shelf secure on the wall, I need to find the stud behind the drywall. It's best to drive the screws into places where studs are located for maximum strength. So I used a stud finder to locate the studs and mark their position on the wall. After that, I placed the bracket on the wall, aligning it with the laser line and slightly secured it in the middle of the bracket, right where the stud is located. I explain a little bit later why I choose to start with the middle. As you can see now, even without the laser, the bracket rotates slightly around the middle point. You can use a regular level to make it perfectly horizontal. Just place the level on top of the bracket and adjust it until the bubble is centered. That's perfect. Next, I mark the position of the holes where the bracket needs to be secured with the screws. I used plastic wall anchors for this. To ensure a clean and accurate fit, I pre-drilled the holes first. Then I inserted the plastic anchors one by one into the wall and finally secured the bracket with screws. Now that the bracket is fully secured to the wall, I inserted the shelf onto the bracket. After that, I used the two small screws that come with the shelves to secure it from underneath. There are pre-drilled holes on the underside of the shelf, and these screws help prevent the shelf from slipping off the bracket. And that's it, your shelf is ready for new objects. If you lack of space, use the Lack shelf to add more space.